Solar step lights, 500 milliamp battery, 5+ hours to fully charge, and run up to 20 full hours in dusk to dawn. We have the bracket that able to put on self-adhesives. You have the option for hardware and screws, and you simply grab the light, place on the back like so, and slide on. Both sides will lock into place. This is how simple it is to put on. Once everything locks in, you are good to go. On the side, inside, over here, there is an on and off switch. You simply turn it on, cover the light, and it lights up, dusk to dawn. When the sun starts to hit it, it'll fully charge again. We're going to show you outside at nighttime what this looks like. We have the staircase lights, 2 of them on the bottom lit. The other 2 towards the top, so when you come on out, you can see the lights. They light up the area where you need to walk, and they give a nice throw on the steps. So when you're taking your step and looking down, you're able to see the stairs lit. A nice accent. Accent lights, they light the steps up, they decorate, do a nice job, and they throw light at each other. You could put them staggered on one side or the other. Wherever you need to put light to light up your needs, enjoy your product if this is right for you.